So I'm at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg in New France, outside Trapper's Smokehouse. I got the Smokehouse Trapper's sampler. Looks awesome. I got a roll, some fries. I think there's brisket in here, looks like. I'm not 100% sure. It's supposed to be brisket in there. You got a rotisserie chicken, you got some ribs. We got a cupcake, but I'm gonna save that for last. Probably not gonna eat that on camera because you gotta eat your food first. Let's see what's in here though. Oh, it is brisket. It's pretty good. Ooh, well, we're gonna start with a little brisket. Yeah, a little sampler. Christmas Town's cold. I'm just gonna use my hands. Why not? Wow. I'll be honest. It doesn't look like much, but it's seasoned very good. It's actually delicious. It's a really good brisket. I don't even need the barbecue sauce on it right now. Really good. Let's try a little piece of this rib. Thank you, baby. Lovely wife and assistant gives me my napkins because it's messy. But good ribs. Good ribs. Like I say, the sample is really good. Now, let me look at that rotisserie chicken too. Good skin, good meat. Well, you come to New France, Busch Gardens, Williamsburg, Trappers. It's messy, but it's delicious. Get the combo. Gramps approved.